guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have my friend Skyla here and again. And we are doing this Squoosh-o's DIY stress ball and Galaxy Squoosh-o's.
Get this specific.
And Horizon actually sent me this, so thank you so much to Horizon for sending me this. So let's get right into it. Hi, I'm Kallissa from the channel KG Toys and More, and on this channel we do vlogs, toy reviews, and other fun stuff like this one. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and also while you're at it, maybe like or hit the bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. And also, in the description down below, there's links to Horizon and other stuff like that. And if you just go check it out, and we also have a P.O. box. So, just down below to give us some mail. So, let's get into it.
Okay, so it says, add expanding water beads and glitter. I like glitter. It can make 3 Squoosh-os. And at the bottom, right here, it says it includes everything you need. 4 balloons, 2 packs of expanding water beads, and glitter, and 1 funnel, and easy to follow instructions. And then before the video started, there's no way there's a funnel in there. Okay,
there might actually.
There is, but it doesn't feel like anything.
This thing is so light though.
It's like it's just like a box. It feels like.
Jeez, they tape this up, dude.
You're missing right here, Kallissa. You're missing right there.
I already got everything.
Okay. Well,
wait, how do I open this?
Go like this.
Oh, there's like nothing in here. Legitimately. Okay, we're gonna dump it all. Is that all? Oh, cool.
I'll cut it open.
Okay, you cut it. So here's the box. Be over here, you know.
This is a funnel.
This might be helpful. I've learned.
Oh my goodness. And glitter. Wait, this look like more than 3. These are 4, so we can both make 2. Thank you.
Okay, so we have a funnel. Okay, so let's see.
We have purple and blue.
Before you begin, make sure to read all the instructions carefully.
Okay.
Adult supervision is recommended for this activity. Do not eat any of the ingredients. Be sure to cover your work area as making Squoosh-os can be a bit messy. Well,
we're gonna have to clean off.
Too late.
Yeah.
Okay, so kit includes 4 latex balloons, 8 grams, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so items needed: scrap paper, water, vinegar, and antibacterial hand sanitizer. Okay, now we actually start. So grab your first Squoosh-o's balloon and place it at the end of the balloon onto the funnel. But before we do this, I will be right back in a couple minutes. We will pause the video and we'll get all the stuff like the hand sanitizer and all that stuff. So we'll be right back. It'll be fast for you guys, but not us. So bye.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we are back. It's been about 3-5 minutes, and we read all through the instructions. We have some vinegar in here.
It smells very bad.
Very bad. And then these are some waters. We actually have our own glitter, and then the funnel, our water beads, and all that. And then it said we need scrap paper, but
you never know what it's for.
Okay. So she's gonna make hers. So first, it says, grab your first Squoosh-o's balloon and place the end of the balloon into the funnel. Okay. Holding the funnel, pour in 1/4 of the bag of glitter and 1/2 of the bag of expanding water beads.
Oh my gosh, how do I put it on?
Shoot. You hold it out, I guess.
It's very, Oh no.
Back chewy. Okay. Yes. So we got it on. And then, 1/4 of the bag of glitter.
We don't have measurings.
But
okay, we'll just use this.
Well, I guess we're just estimating. Well, let's do a little bit of both glitters. That'll be pretty. Okay, I'm going to add some of this. I don't know how much, but I'm just going to go in. That's probably good.
That's barely any, Kallissa.
No,
that's about right.
Okay. Oh, shit. And then we'll add some of this.
Well, just a little bit of this, though, because we already have a lot of it. Just
that's good right there.
Okay, so we got some glitter in there now, and then 1/2 of the. Do you want black or blue?
Those are purple and blue.
Do you want?
I want purple first.
Okay, purple first.
And then I'll do blue.
No, only 1/2. Okay.
I know, like,
No, not a little bit about, no.
I know in this one I was gonna do this.
Oh yeah. I mean, I guess
That's good, that's good.
half.
That's good.
That's about half, right?
That's
About half. Okay, and then after that it says tip. It's best to add glitter in first. Well, that's what we did. So, after you have filled the balloon with these fun decorations, ask an adult to fill the balloon up with water. Well, we're gonna do it ourselves. And then the water should be filled to the base of the balloon.
like right here.
Stem to give your Squoosh-o a nice shape. Once you have completed filling the balloon, tie the end in a secure knot.
What about the vinegar?
Oh, I forgot that. It said add a drop of antibacterial soap or vinegar to your balloon.
Okay.
Well, I got a whole bowl, so I mean.
Okay, well,
Okay, so
just
now.
dip it in there or something?
No.
You got it all over me.
Okay,
Okay.
let's try another drop. Come here.
Get that. Oh, get that. Okay.
Okay.
We have 2 drops in here, apparently.
And then, okay.
Okay, you're gonna force it
Careful there.
to the base.
I got him.
That's good, cause
Perfect. Okay. Well, that actually looks really cool. Okay. So,
now that we have the water.
try and keep the knot. Okay, so now we have to do a knot at the top. So, somehow we have to get this thing off
Hold
of
on.
here. I'll hold the bottom. You try and get it off.
Shoot.
Okay.
Wait.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know how to tie it?
I do, but I suck. So.
That might be really good.
Goodness.
I'll hold.
Okay.
Okay,
The
my dad's
cameraman.
gonna tie it. Yeah.
I can,
That's
but
gonna be
there's
really
water
fun.
in there. There's water in there.
Yeah. So I think that I'll just do mine, and then we can make some later if we want to. But we'll just do
After the video.
then her. Yeah. So we're just doing hers right now, and then we'll do mine. But we're not going to do both because
Let's
that'd
get
take
your
too
balloon
long.
on here.
The next one's.
Okay, so this
Okay,
is what
so
it
the
looks
left
like.
side, squish it. But the water balloons, the water beads still have to.
Oh my
It looks so cool. That's actually really pretty. That's really pretty. Can I
Yeah,
try?
yeah, go ahead, try.
Let me try this.
Okay, well, now we have to repeat.
Ooh, the water beads feel so weird in it.
Yeah.
It feels good, but the water beads still have to expand.
Yeah.
But,
It's kinda good.
I mean,
Yeah.
it still works.
All right,
you
let's
know?
add in some glitter.
It looks so pretty with both of those
All right,
glitter.
hold it, and I'll add in the glitter. Tell me when it's not, because I'm bad at estimation. Okay, eyeball it. Is that good?
That's about good right there.
Okay,
Now a
and
little bit of the blue.
It feels good.
It feels
like
good.
sand.
Yeah, it feels like sand in there. Okay, just stop.
That's good.
Okay. We got some glitter in there.
And
Now,
then
what
a
was
drop.
next?
It was a drop of vinegar.
Wait, was it? Hold
Yes,
on.
it was vinegar.
Yeah, add some water and then a little bit of vinegar.
We added vinegar first. And 2. Good. That's good. 3. Okay. All right, then.
Okay, then water, agua. Some
Agua.
agua. Stop. Oh,
Okay.
wait, a little bit more. I got you.
That's good, Kallissa. That's good.
Okay, so now I'm going to get it off this time. Okay, so now we have it.
And you want your dad to do it?
Yeah, he's going to
Yeast.
tie it.
Yeast.
So, these are actually really fun, but if you have your own decorations at home, of course, you can add your own glitter, different colors of the expanding water beads. This is really fun.
Yeah.
I definitely recommend it. This is really awesome. So, you obviously need stuff. Don't go overboard. Ooh!
Don't go overboard.
Yeah, don't go overboard with the vinegar like I did. Because, squish. Okay. I didn't put the beads in this one. Oh, well. He's going to try and untie it so we can add maybe a little bit.
Just add pretty much half of it.
But we will definitely make these off camera. But
And then
overall, these are really fun to make.
and it takes 1 to 2 hours. So if you're really patient, then
Yeah,
you'll watch it grow.
After that, when you're done, it says step 3, disgrace your Squoosh-os. Congratulations. You have just created your own Squoosh-o stress ball. Now it's time to show off work to all your friends and family and start squeezing. Helpful hint. Squoosh-os are made from balloons that can pop. Do not dispose of any of the water beads down the drain. You can dispose of them in the trash or your garden.
Okay.
Certain water sources can cause your Squoosh-os to mold. To help reduce this factor, we suggest using purified water and adding a drop of vinegar or antibacterial hand sanitizer to your stress balls. It is recommended to dispose of your Squoosh-os after 10 days. I only have these for 10 days.
Oh, well.
Okay. Well, at least it comes with 4. It actually says 3, but I mean, you can make 4. I don't know.
It came with 4 balloons for some reason, but hey.
Wait, do I have yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
That's cool. Hers feels cool. I wonder what the water beads would look like.
It's probably like Orbeez.
It's probably like Orbeez.
Look at this.
So my dad just got it untied, but he's
perfection.
Yes, that looks really good. And you could definitely add like your own different colors.
Let me see. Oh well.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Just do it.
Snapperdoodles! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, okay. It got a bit messy, but
oh well. Yeah.
oh well.
Okay, well,
This is what we do for you too.
this is
Just add the whole thing.
okay, fine.
Ta-da! We are good.
Okay.
Okay. It was right.
Okay, that's good. You made a big mess. Blame it on her, please.
It did say it was messy, so thanks for the warning, Squoosh-o. But
now our cameraman is all with glitter and he's wiping on himself, and I feel very bad for him.
take it off, Skyla. I can't. Okay. I'm about to take this off here. About to take this off. Ours is basically the same thing, but you could definitely, like I said, add your own glitter but if you have water beads, I don't know where to get them, but if you do, you could add your own.
Yeah, if you have like Orbeez or something, you can definitely do that.
I'm trying to tie it here. I don't think I can, but I'm going to try.
I'm just going to put this balloon on for some reason.
Okay, so like I said, thank you so much to Horizon for sending me this to us. We really enjoyed this, and it was a lot of fun.
And messy.
And messy. So, oh yes, I did it. I think I didn't do it, but whatever.
Anyway, we'll do it off camera. It's fine.
Okay. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. But if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And also, hit the bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So, bye. Thanks for watching.